Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for similar videos. And today continue the leetcode coding challenge. Today's task is called flood fear. I won't go into read the flow all of this. This basically is a typical DFS question. This is similar to the question I have discussed before, like find the biggest island. So basically, just look at this example. So you're going to have an image. This the digit represent the color. So if they going to pick up a number, if this color at the moment is 1, replace to new color. So then replace to here, just show something in here. Basically here is the input, and the below is the output. And what did they give to you? They actually give to you, did you see? 1, 1. So it actually is this one. So, and if you get this one, you go into the new color, they actually change this color to the new color to 2. So if you're going to change this color, you're going to go up and adjust it, and up, bottom, left, and right. Go into all the connector, like a connector island, you change it then to the new color. In my previous, I have find the biggest island, so just reverse this back to 0. In this case, you just change this one and to the new color. And they have one case if this color is equal to this color. If they give you to 1, then also give you to 1, then you don't need a loop, and just simple and just return this input, the image. So let's just follow this one, write the code. So, and this is the color. The current color, and this is the new color. Only this color and this one you found it. Like first in here, the example is giving you 1, 1. This not equal to this color. Then you're going to replace it and replace all the connected. The 0 treat like isolated. So just change this island all to this 2. This new color, like the example is 2. So if color. We're going to do DFS search. I'm going to use this image and use this SR color, and this you low. SR is the low. The source R for low, and the source corner. And you go into the current color you passed in, and the new color you're going to replace. If it is this equal, so if not equal, you go in here. If they are equal, you just return the image. You don't need a loop. Then you just write this DFS. You accept this one. Didn't copy. Accept the current image and the source and the low, and this the corner, and the current color. Because the best scenario you compare is if the color, these two color is the same, you don't need to replace, you already replaced. And then you have the new color. So this is the base, you don't need to replace. So if the image, the low and the corner, the color equal to color. So you find this value equal to this value, and then you start it. So you start this color, start with this color, then you're going to replace. Replace the older color to the new color. And then you do DFS. You add minus low. If low, just make sure not out of the range. And then you know -1. The same corner, the same color. Then you go right. Go left and go right. No, go down, then go up. Yeah. In the signal, you could change the corner. Corner go down. So each law, this represent the image size. So the image, this you cannot go bigger than this one. The suppose is 2D dimensional, right? They are actually suppose the equal length. So until you loop, only when it is still the old color you're going to change, or if already replaced, then you don't need to replace again. This is the just test it. Yeah, it is working. Just submit it. Yeah, it's done. Thank you for watching.